See. Okay. Hey, Gigi, can you show me how your shoes squeak? Can you jump? Can you jump? No. Can you come here? Let me see. Can I see? You sure you don't want to change your shoes? You want to change your shoes? No? You want to wear these? They're less noisy. Can we see you? Can you show me your shoes? What's on them? Is there a bunny on him? On your shoes? Is there a bunny on them?
Right.
Does a bunny bounce? Jump up and down? And be like a bunny? Boink. Yeah! Well done. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
No. Hello.
Hey, Gigi. Say bye-bye.